Can you taste the difference between cheap versus expensive energy drinks? Let's try it. Right, so we'll try this side first. Okay, let's try this side now. They taste quite similar. This side is a bit more sour and a bit sweeter. It sort of coats the tongue a bit more. This side, the sweetness is very much on the front. As far as my preference goes, it's definitely got to be this side. Let's have a little peacaroni and see which one. Yeah, that makes sense. So again, Red Bull wins a couple of our tests, but is it really worth 3 times the price of the cheap? I think the expensive one is worth it on this one, just because I think it's got more sugar in it, so those energy levels are going to be better off the expensive one. And not only is that, but also the flavour is better on that, I think. So expensive wins! Very cool!